koutou, Kor Zak took a ingoa. My name is Zak, and it's day 4 of term 2.
And more today, WINTON School. Kor Lucy, ahau. I am Lucy. Welcome to the N.E.W.S news for Rapare and Cinco de Myo.
Okay, let's get into te kupu or te wiki. This week's word is hua-rakau, which is te reo for fruit.
As in aporo.
Ai.
As in panana.
Ai.
Hua-rakau, which is te reo for fruit.
Okay, kapai. On to health and safety news. High VIZ vests. We need to wear them to and from school.
Especially as the mornings are getting darker and darker.
Okay, tomorrow is Rānamiri, and my favourite rā o te wiki, because it's Sausage Sizzle Day.
Get your stamps in the library from 8:30, koutou.Correct money, please.
And remember your money for cookies, $1, and hot chocolates, 50 cents.
Now, if you've missed any notices, you can play the music again or read all the notices in the text box below.
Metal news. Remember to share the ear, koutou. No yodeling, please.
Guitar and ukulele news. All year 4 to 8 strummers interested in playing Tuesday lunchtimes, please see Mr. C today at interval in room 11. Kia ora.
Birthday news. One birthday at WINTON School. Emma Hodges is turning the even dozen 12.
Rāwhānau kia koe. Emma, have a great day.
And that's it for today. From everyone here at the N.E.W.S team, ka kite a popo. See you tomorrow.
Haere and stay sharp, WINTON School.